So they dropped again. OpenAI just solved an 80-year-old math problem, and while doing so, their model went completely off-road. We are talking about the Erdös Unit Distance Problem, and the question sounds simple at first, but it's a real brain teaser. Imagine you draw any number of points, let's say 9, on a piece of paper, and your goal then is get as many pairs of dots as possible that are exactly 1 inch apart. Exactly how many pairs? So you can arrange them in a straight line, then you get 8 pairs, but arrange them in a 3 by 3 grid, you get 12 pairs. So the grid wins here. So let's scale that up. We're not talking about 9 dots, we're talking about billions or trillions. What's the maximum number of dots that you can get? So Erdős conjectured that grids are basically the best you'll ever do. And for 80 years, every mathematician on the planet agreed on that. It just seemed true. And here's the part that really got me. It didn't use geometry. It's clearly a geometry problem. No, it used number theory, a complete different branch of mathematics. So this was a very novel way of approaching that issue. And this is what I meant with it went off-road. Yeah, and this proof, or in this case a disproof, has been verified by 9 different mathematicians already, including a field medalist. This is like the Nobel Prize in mathematics. So it seems to be legit. Yeah, and it's stunning. The model wasn't even trained on these kinds of math problems specifically. It's just a general purpose reasoning model. It got 1 prompt, produced over 100 pages of reasoning, and disproved this conjecture that seemed to be true for 8 decades. Yeah, and this changes a lot, because if an AI can crack a problem that the best human minds couldn't solve for 80 years, what else is sitting out there waiting for disapproval? For example, I'm thinking of the famous Riemann hypothesis. Math research will not be the same anymore. What a time to be alive.